Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download and install the Actions and the Stuff 1.7 add-on for Minecraft Bedrock. So this is a popular movement and abilities add-ons, and I will walk you through the proper way to install it safely. So to download the Actions and the Stuff 1.7 legally, you need to get it from the creator's official release page. The creator provides it for free, and the download usually comes as a .mc add-on or .mc pack file, which is the correct format for Bedrock. So once you download the file on your phone or on your PC, you don't need to unzip it because Minecraft is going to import it automatically. On your mobile, you just have to tap the .mc add-on file and Minecraft will open and start importing the pack. On Windows, you just have to double click on the same file and Bedrock Edition will import it as well. So after import is complete, you can go to the settings, then go to the global resources and make sure that the resource pack shows up. Now you need to open the world where you can want to use the add-ons. Then you can go to the world settings, behavior packs and resource packs, then click on the option of activate to the actions and the staff 1.7. Once the parts are enabled, you can start with the world, and the abilities, animations and new machines will load instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.